So as you guys know, ChatGPT has been talked about a lot and has amassed millions upon millions of users. And after spending a couple of hours testing through the different types of prompts, I have learned that you guys can make a ton of money by using this AI tool. And if you guys are living under a rock, ChatGPT is an AI tool that you can type in any type of prompt and it can write up anything for you in terms of like scripts, essays. It can even do your homework. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you the top 5 ways that you guys can realistically make $300 to $1,000 a day with it. So without any further ado, be sure to subscribe down below and let's get right into the video. Now going on to the first method, if you guys have created a Shopify store, have any skills with it, or none whatsoever, you can actually make a ton of money by doing this for other people. With ChatGPT, you can ask it to create product descriptions, benefits, all these different features of a product and copy and paste it onto a Shopify store. And because ChatGPT is so good at creating content and has really good grammar, it has pretty professional copywriting skills. And if you guys didn't know, if you guys have created Shopify stores before, copywriting is by far one of the most annoying and time-consuming things. And when people are setting up stores, they don't want to do it at all. And I know what you guys are wondering, well, we have all this different copywriting and text that we can get from ChatGPT. Well, how are we going to get the images for the store? And that's actually very simple. You can use different tools like AliSaves or Deezers to import photos to your store, or even use images from like Alibaba or Amazon. And all you guys would have to do is have a clean theme. You can use Debutify, and you can look at other stores within that same niche or for that same exact product for inspiration. Now, if you guys go on Fiverr or Upwork, you can see that there are a ton of people that are willing to create a Shopify store for you, and I can guarantee you a lot of them are using ChatGPT to do this. But in order to differentiate yourself and stand out amongst the other sellers, you would have the store ready within a day as opposed to 4 to 7 days. Like you can see people when you're charging anywhere from $100 to all the way up to $1,000, depending on how professional you want your store to be. And since the copywriting takes up the most time, we have cut that out entirely. And I'm sure you guys didn't know this too, but you can actually create stores for people on Etsy too. Like just imagine how many moms are trying to sell their art. There are some listings on Etsy that have over 2,000 orders for Shopify stores, and a lot of them look super simple and basic to create. And you also have to understand that whatever you charge for these stores is the profit that's going into your pocket, because the customer is providing the store for you, the login information, and all you're doing is putting time into creating that store. And you can basically find any type of professional theme online for completely free, so there's really no excuse. Now going on to the second method, we're going to be talking about how ChatGPT can actually create 7,000 word essays. We can actually use this as an advantage to create interesting blog posts, and I'm going to tell you guys exactly how you can make money from this. If you guys were to go on a platform like Quora and then look up what are the best businesses to start, you guys can see that there are a ton of different topics and replies and answers to this topic. And the answers that seem to be upvoted the most or get the most views are ones that go into really big detail on how to start a business and how much you can actually make from it. And the ones that receive a lot of views and upvotes are the ones that go into really big detail and provide a ton of value on the best businesses to start and why. And at the end of this blog post, since you provided so much value, you can link a program or a course that people can buy to learn more. And most of the time, these are affiliate commissions. So if a person buys through your link, you'll receive around a 20% commission, depending on what affiliate platform that you're using. An example would be ClickBank, that has tons of different niches of programs that you can be affiliates for. And it even tells you the best ones to start promoting at the moment. And this is exactly how you guys can make a ton of money writing blog posts or responses to big topics. You guys can go in ChatGPT and ask it to create a 7,000 word essay or a response to a question, and it will literally type it up within 5 minutes. And all you guys are doing is taking that same text, copying it and pasting it over to whatever blog platform that you're using, and then doing a little bit of research to see what types of topics are trending, and then using that text that you generated to provide a ton of value. And then towards the end, you just list your affiliate link. Now going on to the third way that you guys can make a ton of money with ChatGPT is Faceless YouTube channels. I'm sure you guys have seen those YouTube channels that talk about finance or travel, and they're just a conglomerate of different images and videos. Like if you guys were to take a look at some of these channels right here and videos, all they're doing is using copyright-free videos and pictures. And you can go on ChatGPT and ask it to create a 1,500 word script for a YouTube video about travel. You can ask it to talk about the best places to travel in 2023, and this is going to be a 10-minute long video. And you guys can find some really cool video clips or pictures by using Pictory.ai. And because you're using ChatGPT to create the script for you, all you guys have to do is come up with the good video ideas. And you guys will be able to create videos a lot faster and monetize your channel. And you could eventually turn this into something very automated by paying someone on Fiverr or Upwork to find the content for you. Now going on to the fourth method, we're going to be talking about something that can make you a ton of money because you could work for huge brands, and that's being an email marketing specialist. A lot of brands simply don't know how to do email marketing, and they don't know how much money they're missing out. And this is exactly where you guys can come in. ChatGPT can create different email sequences for basically anything. Whether you want a thank you email, abandoned cart email, a discount email, all the types of sequences are super professional, and they can literally just be copy and pasted over to your email marketing software. And the demand for this type of thing is huge because a lot of people simply do not want to do it. And as you guys can see, there are a ton of people on Fiverr and Upwork that do this exact same thing, and they've made tons of money from it. Now going on to the fifth method, ChatGPT is actually really good at proofreading anything. And this is pretty crazy because when you think of this tool, you're probably like, it has a bunch of grammatical mistakes and it's not good to use. You can copy and paste any type of your essays, scripts, or contracts and ask it to do a professional proofreading of it. And there are actually tons of people, especially business owners, that need people to proofread their content and are willing to pay anywhere from $50 to $100 plus. You can even ask ChatGPT to edit the document to correct it, that way it's ready to be sent to the client. The crazy thing about this is that it used to take people hours upon hours to do something like this, and ChatGPT can do it within 30 seconds. But other than that, you guys, hopefully you got some value out of this video, and those are the top 5 ways that you guys can make money with ChatGPT in 2023. And this is just the beginning of this tool, and I think there are going to be a lot more improvements and other ones like it that'll be making people 6 or even 7 figures a year. So be sure to subscribe down below if you got some value, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.